This hard, guys. This. Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. I wanted them. Captain Chattings. Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest. So,
You don't see the king, no.
yes, guys, you read the title correct. We are here with yet another challenge. I know it's been a minute since we've done a challenge, but we are here with the soda challenge, guys. So here are the rules, right?
No, me I can tell you the rules. Don't
No, listen to me.
You need to listen. Alright, guys.
All team Ali, drop it down in the comment section. We think I will win because we all know say King always a thief out the challenge.
Alright,
Them.
guys. When you shout about that, I should just DEAD. Watch this now, guys. A while ago when I purchased the soda, them I said, yo, I could buy 6 ginger beer. She start ball. But she don't want to burn out her throat.
Guys,
right?
I not have gas.
Alright. So here what me I say now, guys. See? Me win. From just that, I know I already win.
Let's see.
So here what go on now. The rules are, the first person to drink off the 2 soda and Belch last.
Alright, so,
So if you
the
drink
two
off the 2 soda
the
and you
two
belch
we are
before-
gonna give them it in our simpler terms. The first person to drink off both sodas without belching first is the winner, right? Or if you drink off most of the soda. Cause you know say a soda this and it a go hard.
If you belch in the first soda, you lose. If you belch in that drink in the second soda, you lose. Once you are the first person to belch.
Okay. Alright, so rock, paper, scissors. There we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright.
Let's go, guys. So we are gonna open them, right?
After 1,
5, 1, 2, 3. Remember, you can't belch.
This hard, guys. This hard. Yo, it's a challenge.
No? Yeah, belch.
No?
Yeah, belch.
No, me no belch.
Yeah,
Me no
belch.
belch.
Guys, watch him good enough.
Me no belch.
You know, have to bust out a big something so, for no
belch.
say a belch, but watch him. Don't touch me. Sorry.
Yeah. You belch.
That don't give, cause you touch
The
your
belch.
opponent. That don't
No,
give.
Ali, you belch. You
That
belch.
don't
You
give.
belch.
You touch your opponent.
belch.
When you do challenge, you can't touch the person beside you. Not because me there beside you, treat me like I'm an opponent. Don't touch me, me no lose.
I give you one more chance.
You not give me one more chance, me no lose, cause you not see me I touch you. You see him thief? I say, guys, me know him over there belch silently, you know?
Hey, boy.
Yeah, belch
know.
too. Yeah, belch
Are you
too.
first belch? You lose.
Me hear you belch a long time.
No, you first belch. You lose. I'm not belching at all.
You just belch.
No, because I'm here belch. I'm here
You
belch.
just belch.
No, because you belch. My girl, you may have seen a virgin. You have to play fair, brother.
You just belch.
Admit to you lose.
Me lose cause me just belch.
Good. I'm still not belch yet.
Him a thief, him a belch silently, and me a hear him. When I hide with my belch, me belch proudly. Team Ali down in the comment section because we are winners all day, every day. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, somebody even forgot the second soda because you don't see me a winner.
I still have enough left. Him win for true because him almost finished, guys. And we still have a soda that we haven't pulled already. Guys, this is really hard, you know, to drink off 2 soda without belching, especially ginger beer, and him did one buy 3 of them here. You crazy?
Guys, I plan to buy 6, 3 each and just start ball before we even go on.
You hear him? And him a belch long time, my teeth.
Just belch now.
Yeah, belch long time. So guys, drop it down in the comment section and tell us other challenges that you want to see, and we love the energy that we're getting from the vlogs. We really appreciate it, and guys, it's so fun to video the vlogs for you guys. We really enjoy doing it. So
we're just going to the title
thank
today.
you.
I'm not gonna know what's popping and how we're doing.
Yeah,
I know sister we're doing good.
see how me I treat him good, him all get fat.
So start now, man. Give them a
Yes guys, remember to follow our TikTok, because we have on TikTok now. That's King Ali 14. Yes guys, King and Ali, that's us.
And
so follow us on TikTok.
And follow the Instagram too, guys. King_original_.
Yeah, and that's Ali_the_Jenna_original. Follow us guys. We post pictures over there, but we're mostly active on TikTok either way. And our chef channel, we post videos on Sundays. We're planning on posting a different day as well. So drop it down and tell.
We're planning Sunday, Thursday, but for now it's just Sundays, guys. And I don't know what the chefs, you know.
Yes guys, so that's basically it. And then the thought for today is, I've been coming with this for a little minute now, but in these times you have to be grateful. Little is much when the Lord is within it, right? So it don't matter how little you have, don't ready eye and don't bad mind anybody, because you don't know what other persons are doing to get what they have or what they've been doing. You feel me? So just clap for them. If you're happy for them, you clap for them, and just wait your turn, because your time is coming. The Bible man preached them. I don't remember the pastor, but he was preaching and saying that once you see a neighbor is getting blessed, that means that the Lord is in the neighborhood. So it could be your time next, right? What's a drink, sir?
Yes guys, and remember, life is a rocky road. It's like a game and you are the player. And we need to understand, say, just like how someone zero the stage and the best player wins. Someone play and crash, and then just decide to give up. But you will not give up, guys. Move forward, push harder, try zero the stage, try zero the thing. And as well, Joshua would have said, we start from zero. So that's the thing there, guys, because everybody born with gold spoon. And remember, some friend will have in our life, we need to shake off some of them, because some of them don't really mean it no good.
Drain
some
your
of
energy.
Them just come around to the things. Some of them are like said, and that's just the reality. If you can't give a man a split for one game, say you're this and you're that, and that's just one time you could the game. And remember, what some man where you're par with some girl where your wife up, my friend give me a knife cut, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.